Life's precious sounds are such an important part of living life to its fullest. Think what those with a hearing loss are missing. Most people with a hearing handicap can be helped either medically or through amplification. So there is really no reason why you or your loved one should miss such an important part of life. The Better Hearing Institute has a fascinating booklet that tells the story of 12 famous people and how they overcame hearing loss. For a free copy, write Hearing, Box 1840, Washington, D.C. 20013. You should hear what you're missing.